morning, my little Ted nerds. Today we're taking the cars up to our favorite driving road in New England. Now, we don't have the canyons and the crazy stuff that people have out in Southern California, but we do have Vermont. Eddie's just correcting the tire pressures on the R, and we're off. Let's go ahead and finally get these numbers off. They don't look very good. Probably would have been smarter to do this when it was 100 degrees out. Look, now I'm Dale. Do it for Dale. You know what? I think we're gonna keep the 3, because today we're gonna do it for Dale. I'm really sorry, it's way too windy for the drone up here, but we're gonna go for a hike and try to get some killer views even just with the handheld. Alright, I just tried to one-hand climbing all of this. Didn't go so hot, almost fell off the cliff. I'm pretty filthy behind. Not great. So rather than slipping to my death and never publishing this footage, I think I'm gonna call it quits here. Injury report, we got a pair of jeans down. Eddie is bleeding profusely. Look at that, look what they did to this boy.
Arjun shat himself.
Arjun,
yeah, sure did.
Fecal matter all over the pants.
Sounds like a E92 M3.
God, this car is fast. I caught a Prius in a Corvette. Thank you so much for watching, liking, commenting, and subscribing. Go out there, find your favorite driving roads in your area, and don't forget to respect the drive.